has been working with her mom. She has lots of jam.
Kim, working. Her, mom. Jam.
Kim would like to give the jam to her pals, Tam and Matt.
Would, like, give. Pals,
Tam, Matt. Tam and Matt have been filling a sack. Who is the sack for? Matt.
filling. Sack. For.
Tam and Matt give the sack to Kim. They tell her, "This sack is for you."
Give. Her. They. You. This. Sack.
Kim gives jam to Matt and Tam. She tells them about mashing the jam.
Kim gives jam.
Matt
And
Tam
tells them about
mashing.
jam.
The kids like giving and getting.
Kids
Giving,
getting.
A fantastic giving and getting phonics story for the kids. Now you should check out our products. 5 products are there. Out of this particular product actually completely for free. You should download this PDF, color PDF, and we also have action verbs, alphabet, community helpers, and farm animals PDFs. You should definitely check out, and I will add the links in the description box. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.